Hi guys, having a cordless drill in your workshop or toolshed is essential for DIY repairs. It is a necessary tool for any job that requires home renovation and an important component of a well-equipped toolbox. If you have home improvement chores to do, it is recommended to use the best cordless drill available. However, with numerous types of cordless drills available on the market, it can be challenging to determine which ones are worth investing in and which ones aren't. To help you make an informed decision, I reviewed 5 of the most popular drills available and have compiled my findings here. Based on your budget and the features you require, you can choose the best cordless drill for your collection. So, let's get started. Number 5, 21V Wireless Drill Electric. Wireless Impact Drill. This wireless impact drill is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $62. The 21V Wireless Impact Drill Electric Screwdriver is a versatile and powerful tool designed to meet the demands of both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its wireless design, high-capacity lithium battery, and multifunctional capabilities, this cordless drill offers unparalleled convenience and performance for a wide range of applications. Let's explore the features and benefits of the 21V Wireless Impact Drill Electric Screwdriver and how it can elevate your DIY projects to new heights. Efficient cordless design for enhanced mobility. Say goodbye to tangled cords and limited mobility. The 21V Wireless Impact Drill Electric Screwdriver operates on a high-capacity 1500 mAh lithium battery, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience. Whether you're working in tight spaces, at heights, or in remote locations, the cordless design allows you to move around freely without the hassle of cords and cables. Powerful performance for a wide range of applications. Equipped with a high-torque motor, the 21V Wireless Impact Drill Electric Screwdriver delivers ample power and precision for drilling, driving screws, and other tasks. Multifunctional design for added versatility. The 21V Wireless Impact Drill Electric Screwdriver features a multifunctional design that allows for drilling, screw driving, and impact driving capabilities. This versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture and hanging shelves to installing fixtures and performing repairs. Long-lasting lithium battery for extended runtime. Whether you're tackling a single project or working on multiple tasks throughout the day, the cordless drill ensures consistent power and performance from start to finish. Plus, with its quick charging capability, you can minimize downtime and maximize productivity, ensuring that you can complete your projects on time and with precision. Number 4, 13mm Brushless Impact Drill Wireless Impact Drill. This wireless impact drill is here with the 52% price off. Now you can get it at around $47. The 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver is a versatile and reliable tool that is sure to enhance your projects. With its brushless motor technology, 3-in-1 design, high torque output, and compatibility with Makita 18-21V batteries, this electric drill and screwdriver combo offers exceptional performance and convenience for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver and how it can elevate your projects to new heights. Brushless motor technology for enhanced performance. At the heart of the 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver lies a powerful brushless motor. Unlike traditional brushed motors, which are prone to wear and tear over time, brushless motors offer improved durability, efficiency, and longevity. Versatile 3-in-1 design. The 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver offers a versatile 3-in-1 design, combining the functionality of an impact drill, electric screwdriver, and cordless screwdriver into a single compact tool. This multifunctional design allows you to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease, from drilling holes in wood, metal, and masonry to driving screws and fasteners into various materials. High torque output for tough applications. Equipped with a powerful motor, the 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver delivers an impressive torque output of 180 Nm. This high torque capability makes it ideal for tackling tough applications, such as drilling through dense materials or driving large screws and bolts. Compatibility with Makita 18-21V batteries. The 13mm Brushless Electric Impact Drill Cordless Screwdriver is compatible with Makita 18-21V batteries, providing convenient cordless operation for enhanced mobility and flexibility. The next is Number 3, VVOSAI 12V, Cordless Drill, Wireless Impact Drill. This wireless impact drill is here with the 53% price off. Now you can get it at around $32. The VVOSAI Cordless Drill electric screwdriver is a versatile and reliable tool that is sure to enhance your projects. With its compact design, powerful performance, lithium-ion battery technology, and versatile chuck size, this electric screwdriver offers exceptional value and convenience for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Let's explore the features and benefits of the VVOSAI Cordless Drill electric screwdriver and how it can elevate your projects to new heights. Compact design for enhanced maneuverability. The VVOSAI Cordless Drill electric screwdriver features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and overhead. Whether you're working on furniture assembly, home repairs, or DIY projects, this electric screwdriver provides the versatility and agility needed to tackle any task with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, reducing fatigue and strain during extended use. Powerful performance for versatile applications. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the VVOSAI Cordless Drill electric screwdriver delivers ample power and torque for a wide range of applications. From driving screws to drilling holes, this electric screwdriver provides the performance and precision needed to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Lithium-ion battery technology for extended runtime. The VVOSAI Cordless Drill electric screwdriver is powered by a lithium-ion battery, offering extended runtime and reliable performance. Whether you're working on a single project or tackling multiple tasks throughout the day, this electric screwdriver provides consistent power and performance from start to finish. Versatile chuck size for added convenience. This screwdriver offers compatibility with a wide range of drill bits and screwdriver attachments. Whether you're driving screws, drilling holes, or performing other tasks, this electric screwdriver provides the versatility and flexibility needed to tackle any project with ease. The next is Number 2, Makita Red, Electric Drill, Wireless Impact Drill. Now you can get it at around $53. The Makita Red Electric Drill DTD173 is a powerful and versatile tool that is sure to enhance your DIY projects. With its powerful performance, versatile functionality, wireless engraving capability, and free shipping offer, this drill tool offers exceptional value and convenience. Whether you're a professional tradesperson or a weekend warrior, the DTD173 is the perfect companion for all your drilling, driving, and engraving needs. Powerful performance. The Makita Red Electric Drill DTD173 is equipped with a powerful 18V motor, providing ample power for drilling and impact driving tasks. Whether you're working with wood, metal, or masonry, this drill tool delivers exceptional performance and precision. With its high torque output and variable speed settings, you can easily adjust the tool to match the requirements of your project, ensuring optimal results every time. Versatile functionality. Versatility is key when it comes to power tools, and the Makita DTD173 does not disappoint. This drill tool offers a range of functions, including drilling, impact driving, and rotary engraving. Whether you're assembling furniture, installing fixtures, or engraving personalized items, the DTD173 provides the versatility you need to tackle any task with ease. Plus, with its compact and lightweight design, you can take this drill tool wherever you go, making it ideal for both professional and DIY use. Wireless engraving capability. In addition to its drilling and impact driving functions, the Makita DTD173 also features wireless engraving capability. With the included rotary engraver attachment, you can easily personalize your projects with custom designs, logos, or text. Whether you're marking tools, labeling equipment, or adding decorative accents to your creations, the DTD173 allows you to unleash your creativity and make your mark with precision and ease. The next is Number 1, Dewalt DCF887, Impact Driver, Wireless Impact Drill. This wireless impact drill is here with the 45% price off. Now you can get it at around $220. When it comes to power tools, reliability, efficiency, and versatility are paramount. The Dewalt DCF887 Cordless Impact Driver Electric Drill stands out as a top-tier option for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Equipped with advanced features such as a brushless motor, LED light, and lithium-ion battery, this drill is designed to deliver exceptional performance for a wide range of applications. Let's delve into the features and benefits of the Dewalt DCF887 and how it can elevate your drilling experience. Unrivaled power and efficiency. The Dewalt DCF887 cordless impact driver electric drill is engineered with a powerful brushless motor that provides maximum efficiency and durability. With its high torque output, this drill is capable of tackling even the toughest tasks with ease. Cordless convenience for enhanced mobility. Say goodbye to cumbersome cords and limited mobility. The Dewalt DCF887 operates on an 18V lithium-ion battery, offering unparalleled freedom and convenience. Whether you're working in tight spaces or at a distance from power outlets, the cordless design allows you to move around freely without restriction. Built-in LED light for improved visibility. Working in poorly lit environments can be challenging, but the Dewalt DCF887 makes it easier with its built-in LED light. The bright LED illuminates the work area, providing enhanced visibility and allowing you to work with precision and accuracy, even in dark corners or tight spaces. Compact and lightweight design for comfortable use. Despite its powerful performance capabilities, the Dewalt DCF887 features a compact and lightweight design that is ergonomic and easy to handle. Weighing just 1 kilogram, this drill is comfortable to hold and maneuver, even during extended periods of use. So this is the best option for you to buy.